The Kilifi Deputy Governor, Gideon Saburi, was arrested this afternoon, moments after being discharged from isolation in Mombasa. Detectives from the Directorate of Criminal Investigations escorted Saburi out of the Coast General Hospital, where the government had placed him on mandatory quarantine for 14 days. Kevin Mutai reports that the Deputy Governor will spend the weekend in the police cells as he awaits to appear in court on Monday for defying the government's directives on self-isolation.
He walked from the hands of medics into the hands of the law as detectives from the Criminal Investigations in Mombasa took him into custody.
He has been declared fit after being subjected to 3 tests, all of which have turned negative. Naturally, the issue of the law, we will now follow up with him.
Regional DCI boss Washington Jiru was among other senior police officers that pitched camp at the hospital from morning as they waited to pounce on Saburi. Saburi was discharged after health authorities confirmed that he had fully recovered from the coronavirus. The Deputy Governor was put on a 14-day mandatory quarantine after failing to isolate himself when he arrived back from a tourism expo in Germany. The government says that he will be charged for defying COVID-19 protocols of self-isolation, thereby putting lives of other Kenyans at risk of infection. Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe had maintained that all persons who violate the self-quarantine requirement will be arrested and charged under the Public Health Act. Mombasa still remains a hotspot for COVID-19 after 2 more positive cases were confirmed today by the Ministry of Health, with fears of potential rise in the number of infections in the coming days. Kilifi and Kwale counties are the other coastal counties badly affected by the coronavirus. Security officials say that export processing zones in the region will manufacture 1 million masks to be distributed to members of the public for free as the rush to contain the virus intensifies.
The government has vowed to introduce stiffer measures in the fight against the spread of coronavirus, as it also promises to wage war against those who are defying COVID-19 protocols. Kevin Mutai, NTV, Mombasa.